all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spent in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up.
Hey, yo.
This all God, this ain't no love.
What up, chat?
I used to be stuck in that mud.
Cheers.
Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm down. Now I'm up like a seesaw when I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn. Better keep off from the ground to the treetops. Got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw.
Let's run it.
Landed on my feet like a feline. Put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose. Did
what up, LeGrand? What's good? What's good?
Who the little guy making big moves? TikTok turn it
Your
to
notion how?
boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff till I went and turned it where I was down, but now I'm up.
W's in the chat. Let's go. Oh, baby. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Thursday. Welcome in. Welcome in. W's in the chat. I see you guys. I see you guys. What up, OGH? Boys is printing. Man, y'all printing. Good stuff. Got a Trades in the house. What up, Got a Trade? What up, Ewan? W's in the chat. Chat got motion here today. DT Gamer's in the house. Wags is here. AJ's here. Louis G's in the building. Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Kelvin? What's good, Buzz Blab? Goodwin. What up, Goodwin? Goodwin. What up, Stephen B? Chala's in the building. Stephen B's in the house. Energy's in the house. Scotty Boy's in the house. All the wrenches are flying today. Oh, it's a wrench fest. Mod Squad. Dennis Hood's in the building. Ewan is in the building. What up, Ewan? What's good? What's good? How you doing? George VDM, my guy. What up? What up? How we feeling? Bink Bink. What up, D-Boss? LeGrand in the house. What up, LeGrand? What up, Traders X? Dropout Trader is in the building. Oh, man. What up, everybody? Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Good afternoon. Good evening to you all. Hope you guys are doing great. If you guys can give the stream a like here as you settle in, I am going to send the Zoom link out, and then we're going to rock and roll here today. Rock and roll. How was FOMC for you guys? Oh, man. Y'all got jokes. Y'all got jokes. All right, let me just send the Zoom link, and then we good. Hey, shout out to the London boys here today. We're going to zoom. All right, cool. Perfect. All right, Zoom link is good. Let me share my screen, and it's party time. Perfect. Perfect. How you guys doing? The one guy is here. All right, now we can start the show. The one guy is here. We can start the show. Josh Jess in the building. London boys printing hard. Okay, I see you guys. Let's go. Man, I was about 30 minutes late to that party. Yeehaw. All right, let's get started, gang. If you guys are not in our free Discord, by the way, you guys can join the free Discord. If you want to be printing with the London boys, join the free Discord. Yeah, Donald, shout out to Donald, OGH in there. Yes, sir, in there. LeGrand was in there. Nice. Was Kelvin in there? Kelvin was in there, I think. Yeah, W's, man. Fire. Awesome. All right, chat, let's get started. Let me pray for you guys, and then we're going to rock and roll here today. Let me lower the music just for a second, and let me place a blessing on y'all. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus, Lord. We thank you for another day. Let us rejoice in it. What a beautiful honor it is, Lord, to come and live this day here today. I pray that you would bless your people, Lord. I pray that the ones that are in the chat now, the ones that are coming in, the ones that will come in and out throughout the stream, Lord, I just pray a blessing over them. Just give them vision, Lord. Give them vision. Man without vision will perish. We know this. Give them goals, Lord. Give them direction, him or her, Lord. Lead them on their path, Lord. We know that when we walk and we walk in your strength, that we could do all things, Father. So I pray that that vision and that blessing over your people today. We give you the glory. We thank you for coming in and having your presence here while we trade, Lord. Where others say we can't do that, we know that we can. We believe in you. We love you. We thank you. And we give you the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. 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 AB Mike is in the building. Perez is here. All right. Whole crew is ready to go. Let's do it. Y'all ready to go? Amen's awesome. All right, let's go ahead, gang, and let's start this day here today. It is a beautiful Thursday. It is the 21st of March here, and it's another day. It's another opportunity for us to do what we do best, and that is to play the professional role here in the markets and look for our opportunities and our opportunities only, right? There's going to be opportunities all day today. There's been opportunities for the last couple decades, but they're not our opportunities all the time. So we have to really understand how to recognize our opportunities and what we can capitalize on in the markets due to the data that we have collected and have sample size and act as a professional would. So we're going to do that here today. We're going to be patient. We're going to be disciplined. And we're going to look for the best setups we can find here. So again, it is the 21st of March. As you guys can see, there's a lot of stuff going on here today with the euro, a lot of stuff going on with the pound, a lot of stuff going on with the dollar here today. So it should be a good day. It should be a high volume day. But in terms of us, it looks like we're pretty clear here until 8:30, which is unemployment claims that we have. Red folder coming out here today. And then 9:45, you're going to have PMI. So we've got some red folders ahead of us, and it should be very high volume type of day here today. So we'll see if we can get our piece of the pie and move about and enjoy the rest of our time here on this lovely Thursday. Sound good? Let's go ahead and do a breakdown. Let me just move my Zoom chat over here. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this breakdown, and let's see what we got going on here for gold today, and then we'll take a look at NASDAQ. So, by the way, if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We got two 50K challenge account giveaways, maybe today, but definitely before tomorrow, we're going to give those accounts away. Top one should be back up and rolling for everyone that's waiting on accounts, credentials. Everything should be locked and loaded with C-Trader. Everything should be good to go with Match Trade, and everyone should be up and running no later than tomorrow. So they've sent a bunch of emails out. I believe they're still sending emails out. If you haven't received yours yet, just wait for tomorrow, and then you should be good to go. So if you guys can like the stream as well, give the stream a like before we get rolling here. Got your top one account yesterday. Lovely. Beautiful. All right, cool. Let's get started here, chat. Let's do a breakdown. Let's do a top-down analysis here on gold. Looks like we are in a different place than where I left you guys yesterday, so looks like we moved up here on this weekly candle today, or yesterday really was the big push. As mentioned, Monday and Tuesday were a bit choppy. Wednesday was yesterday, which is what got the ball rolling here, and then we should continue running through today and through tomorrow pretty nicely here. So looking at the weekly time frame, we've been moving up. It looks like we're going to create this support now. Let me just grab my tools here. Looks like we're trying to form a support here, right? So we all know what happened with the weekly. We were ranging for quite a bit. As you can see down here, we ended up breaking out of this range with this candle to the left hand side here. Broke out of the range, got a breakout. You had a wick to fill. Price moved up, filled that wick, exhausted a little bit, right? Had to catch its breath here on this candle. This candle closed. Now that we've officially broken the highs here, we can say that we are beginning to say that, okay, we got a support formed, right? We're going to have a support here. There's about 2 sessions left on this weekly candle here. And if we close above, you should just continue running at this point. You know, let's go ahead and take a look at the daily, see how we're looking here today. So daily candle opened up and just pushed right away, right? So we are bullish based off of yesterday's closure. It looks like we did close above, right? Yeah, we did close above here, chat. The one thing is we don't have a bottom wick on this candle yet, which is a little sketchy, and it's okay because I understand why, right? We just have so much bullish volume here on gold that that price just ran without even attempting to move down at all here. But all in all, we do know that 85% of candles do have top and bottom wicks. Therefore, you may have a shot at coming back down on a candle like this. I typically think that these are the exception candles, especially after high volume the day before. You know, candle no bottom wick, very little to no bottom wick, no bottom wick. So this candle can still continue moving up without creating that bottom wick. I think at some point later we can kind of come down, whether it be tomorrow's candle or Monday's candle or something like that, to give it a bottom wick. But we may just juice up here today. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour candles are, 4 hour candles have been moving up here. So we have not came back down since around the 4 hour candle, like 24 hours ago. That was our last bearish candle until juicing up and then coming into this rejection zone. And then now we've created another bearish candle here. So do we have a potential support is the question, right? We did break the highs here. You do have a wick to fill coming up top, but you also are in a bit of rejection here, right? This is all kind of rejecting at this point. And again, no bottom wick there. So let's be very, very fluent in the market here today, right? So let's take a look at the 1 hour, see where we got going on here. So the 1 hour has a support, right? You also have a, let's grab this one. You have a resistance up top here, which we have closed above on this 1 hour chart here. So we did close above. It is 7 a.m. We know that the next high volume time is going to be 8 a.m. Eastern, right? So will this set up to become a celery play at NY Open is really the next question for me, right? Because I would love to see candles close maybe, just like that, right? And then break these highs, and then we got a straight shot to fill this wick, and then gold could potentially, move on up here today to fill that wick there as well. So that is the next plan for the buys moving up. Let's take a look at the 30. That's perfect. 30-minute close bearish as well. So we don't want to take anything here. We want to wait on this 1 hour candle, right? This 1 hour candle can close very similar to what it looks like right there. You have entries on the break of the highs. This is where you should get a bullish engulfing candle. Let's say the candle closes just like that. This is where you should get a bullish engulfing, right, at NY Open. And that would also be a celery play on the 1 hour. So that is that's the next A+ opportunity, in my opinion. If the 1 hour candle closes bearish back in the range, then we have to scratch that idea and then potentially look for other opportunities, right, if that happens. So that's what I got here for gold today. I like the 30. I like the 1 hour. I like the 4 hour. Needs to kind of pull back a little bit too, I would say. And yeah, it looks good. Yeah, just wait on this 1 hour. The deeper we go, if we can come down and give this candle a bottom wick, that'd be great. Do something like this. Boom. Boom. Closure above the range, though. That's going to be the perfect celery play for us. Or the booby trap candle, right? The booby trap. That's going to be the booby trap candle right there. And you should see a push up at that point, and our entry will be sitting right here. So that's the play. That is the play. What up, Xander? What's good? What's good? Yeah, that's it. And then in terms of like sells here today, so if we're going to take sells, it's going to be very difficult to take sells here on gold today. But we would need some sort of a range too, right? I mean, clean sells, you got below 21.98 here. So that's an opportunity where this could potentially be a fake out and then the price move down. I don't know if we're going to see that happen today, but again, no bottom wick on this daily candle could bring price down a bit here today. So we'll be ready for it. I think range 2 sells below these levels here are going to be our best bet. And then this is your clean range coming down to give that daily candle a bottom wick. Actually, I think it's right here. No, it was the first one. So yeah, so you should come down there. Like if you do close below, even if you make like this second range in here, it's also not too bad, right? So if you come down, come up, and then close below, that's going to be perfect. But if we just get a straight shot down, then we're going to need that. We're going to need this down here, right? So we're going to need something like that. Make sense? Questions, comments, concerns? Oh damn, I'm up at the amen still. Hallelujah. Wow, Lord. Wow. What up, Dennis Hood? Bink bink. What's good? What's good? Rose and Buds, what's good? How you doing? What up, Miko? Miko? Bro, how do I say your name? Miko, Miko? One or two, I keep forgetting. or neither. What's good, Purpose? What's up, my boy? Chat got motion here today. Okay. All right. We got motion. Bink, bink. Willie in the house. What up, Willie? Good morning, Joseph. Good morning, the boys in Zoom. What's good? What's good? Ali Reza. How you doing? How you doing, Ali Reza? All right, so that's going to be gold here today, chat. So buys above 2207, man. We're up there now. We are up there. So 2207, 205. That's how I'm going to be looking for buys above. I'm not really going to take this because I understand that the volume, listen to this, the volume just came in, right? So the volume candle was on that previous 1 hour candle. That's what, and remember, gang, I keep telling you guys, keep an eye out on that 6 a.m. candle. I'm telling you, as I continue to sample size that, watch it over and over, a lot of days it brings in volume. It really does. Like, it brings in so much volume that I'm trying to rush my morning routine sometimes a little bit to get to the desk for that. But you see it again here today. Beautiful candle there, but the volume is going to die down now, or at least most times it'll die down a bit and then wait for the next set of volume, which is going to be the next session open, which is going to be NY open, and that's going to be in 39-40 minutes here. So that's why I'm looking for buys above here, but don't necessarily want to take it off of this candle here. Right? I hope that makes sense. I'd rather bank on the volume coming in at NY open to potentially move price up for another push, right? And then potentially get a playbook position here, you know, as we look at this booby trap candle. Oh, he's here. He's here.
I'm the original Dandara.
Okay, okay. What up, Rob Trades? How you doing? Big Wick Energy in the house. Hope you're enjoying that new pre-workout routine. Yeah, you see, good. You get good results, man. Good results. Louis G, how you liking the new pre-workout? Time to get rid of all that garbage, chemical combustion concoction thing that they put together, and you open it up, it's like powder everywhere. You're like, what is this? You're inhaling it. You're like, time to get rid of it. All right, so we'll wait on gold here. Let's take a look at NAS also. And hey, we got clean ranges here today, man. You know, also you don't want to take your buys here just yet because of the rejections, right? So you really want to bank on volume and a real good closure before you take another buy here today. Otherwise, if we do close back below, price should come down now, right? It should kind of mess around in this range and do what it needs to do. Yeah, beautiful wick fill. Once we get volume in today, if we want to fill that wick, we will fill it. Yeah, but this is given a little bit of rejection here on the 4 hours, so. All we do is print. Hey, I open up my charts. Yeah, by the way, so let's take a look at that trade real quick, right? So I open up my charts here and I see that, well, first off, I seen price, and price was sitting like right here. So this whole candle was bullish. And then I was like, oh, wow, you got a beautiful closure above. You also had a fake out here too. So you had a fake out. You also had a support and then a higher support. The only thing that was a little bit of a flaw here was this bottom wick. Other than that, this was a really solid position to take. This bottom wick there. But stops for me would have been kept on the 30. So you also, if you look, you also had a 30-minute closure above. I think everything closed above 1 hour, 30-minute, and 15-minute. So this candle I would have never traded, right? Not this one, because this guy never closed above the range. But once this guy did close above the range, I mean, does it get any better than that? Like clean traffic to the left. A wick to fill over here as well. My entry would have been on the break of that high right there. That was money. I was like, I know people took this trade. I went into the Discord. The boys were printing. It was like, think, 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 think. I opened it up, think, think. I was like, yeah, they're getting it out here. Yeah, I got to the desk at 6:30, man. So I'd already missed this whole thing. It was coming back down. Beautiful trade, though, for those who did take that. Beautiful, beautiful. See how once you got the closure there, that's when the next candle really went ripping. So, like, although you had a support here formed, if we didn't close above, there was a very high chance there that you just come back down, right? Come back down, do it until you actually close above. Then you usually get ripping. So that's why the breakouts are so valuable. Right, especially a breakout like this after this fake out here. Very nice. Very, very nice. Job well done, friends. Job well done. Yeah, if we can give this candle a bottom wick and then close back above, we're in. I'm gonna be looking for buys here. All right, let's take a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ moved up 2 yesterday. Anybody take buys during FOMC? Anybody? Let's take a look at NAS here. So weekly is now engulfed everything here. Honestly, as expected, like we should just continue ripping up here. you know, you got this range now at this point. So if you get a closure above here in 2 days, you'll most likely continue ripping up next week. Just marching along with this bullish rally here. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily has no top wick. So have we closed? Yeah, we actually did close above yesterday on the daily, thanks to Papa Pal here. You closed above, but you really kind of, you know, got no top wick on that candle, no bottom wick on the current candle either. But you are pretty bullish. Looks like we're losing a lot of momentum here on the 4 hour too. You see how this big candle, and then we just kind of been like stuttering up the steps here. So this is our all-time high area as well. So we're way up at this point. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 4 hour looks good to continue up, man. All right, we broke the lows there. If we re-break that high, you should continue on up. 1 hour is looking pretty solid. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minute looking good. 15. Yeah, not bad here. Not bad. You still don't have much structure on the 30. If you get a 30 closure, though, looks pretty good. Looks real good. Yeah, pretty bullish here on NAS as well today. So looking to target those highs up there, man. Sheesh, NAS just running. So yeah, we came up very slowly too. Started picking up some steam and then engulfed everything. Came down, created support here. Had some weak candles. Couldn't really make a decision. This guy seems to be the leader of the pack and is trying to step out, right, and see if it can do something here and close strong bullish for price to keep moving up. So this candle closed in about 2 minutes, and then the 1 hour candle closes in 32 minutes. So yeah, pretty bullish here on NAS today. There we go. Can we break those lows? It wasn't my trade. Yeah, what up, Brax? Yeah, it wasn't my trade. If it was my trade, I would have been there. It's good, Chino. Please check charts for stream. Yeah, let's take a look. If you guys have any trades that you would like us to look at, you can send them in our Discord, charts for stream, and we'll take a look at them. I took buys after FOMC. Let's go, AB Mike. Let's go. Morning, brother. Hey, good morning, bro. WRX. Yeah, let's pop this up here. So this is gold, 30-minute time frame. Price was pumping right before the Asian session. Was waiting for the retracement. Wicks to fill. Started ranging. Yup. 30-minute booby trap. Where at? I don't see that. Oh, this is, yeah, where is it? 30-minute booby trap formed. Entered on the break of the highs. I don't see the booby trap, but I do see the breakout you're talking about here. Yeah, wick to fill. Very nice. Oh, yeah, I see it here. Yeah, in a way, this kind of is a celery play. Yeah, it is a booby trap. Yeah, no, it's a good trade. Good trade. Took profit at this wick right there, which is smart. And yeah, in there for the wick fill. Nice. Lovely, lovely. Oh, yeah. Where's that? What time was this taken? This is London? Oh, okay. Now I know why. 2:25 a.m. All right. That makes sense. Oh, GJ buys here. Let's take a look at these GJ buys. So GJ buys, 15-minute time frame. Bias was bullish on the weekly and the daily. Daily came down to make a bottom wick. 4 hour candle made support. What time frame is this? 15. Resistance, weak bullish. Waited for range 2 buys on the 15. Nice. Awesome. Yeah, lovely. So you didn't take this buy here, right? But you waited for support to form, and then you took your buy. Yeah, that's not bad at all. TP1 stops to break even. Nice. Yeah, good trade. Good trade, good trade. Oh my God, and we got NAS here. Yo, I see you. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, so you took this buy here on NAS. Yeah, nice. This is a bit of aggressive, but I like it. Yeah, I like it. You're so bullish on NAS too right now. So yeah, I understand this move because we were just looking at it here. Yeah. Oh yeah, all nice trades. W. Killing it. You're killing it. Yeah, this one's pretty good. Very bullish there on NAS. Nice job. Job well done. Got it. Charts for stream. Yeah, good job. Way to go. Did we make a bottom wick? No, we didn't make a bottom wick, but or for this candle, but at least we made a bottom wick. 30-minute candle coming back up now. So it could just be making a top wick for price to continue down back in the range. So we're going to wait for the 1 hour close here. In terms of the 1 hour, this is really a no trade range. This range here. If you can get a nice closure above, again, that's going to be perfect. You got a beautiful wick to fill. And then below here it's pretty clean too. I was sleeping yesterday. Oh, nice. Yeah. You guys were sleeping for FOMC. Yeah, that's true, AB Mike. Yeah, you always see a lot of growth happening with the people who send charts in. It's funny how that works, right? You see a lot of growth when you see people send charts, and first they come in a little, you know, just no lettering, no direction for us to go, and then they start labeling it really good, and all of a sudden you can tell that they're understanding the market so much better, chart by chart. Chart by chart. How was golf? Oh, God. Hey, yo, chat. We might have to rename Nicky Woods out here, man. Yo, honestly, I played really good. Yeah, I was very surprised. I mean, I knew I was gonna play great, but I was happy with the performance. Update the golf record. Yeah, actually, we played teams, right? So first game was me and first game. Basically, I won both. My team won both games. We played 2 games. We played 18 holes, and 2 games, and yeah, got 2 W's out there, man. So W's on the golf course. Had a couple good shots in the clutch too, man. It was actually a really good 2 really good games. Update the golf record. We might have to start renaming our setups, bro. Like, you guys might see me turn into like a golfer. Where's Green at? Green's gonna come play some golf with me when he comes down to Tampa. Where you at, Green? I tried your pre-workout before gym. That salt, man. Oh yeah. Yeah, this would be really good, you know, chat. If we get the closure above on the 1 hour, this would also be the 30-minute candle closing above here as well. I really wouldn't mind if we kind of came lower here on this 30-minute candle, but we also may do that on the next candle, right? Because we know that the 8 a.m. candle can come down, grab the pack, and move on up. So we may get it on this candle or next candle if price wants to continue rolling up here. And then we would also have a fake out, right? Fake out, 30-minute closure back in the range, 1 hour celery play, booby trap candle play, and that would be perfect. Tiger Stewart. Celery becomes the birdie. Honestly, I haven't really played golf since I was like 13. And I really only played like a handful of times. And I think like 2 or 3 of those, I think I only played like 2 games. The rest were just like just at like the range. So yeah, it's actually easier than I expected. Where is Green? Lots of golf in South Carolina. Yeah, let's get it, Scott. Me and Scott gonna hit the course. How many of you guys play golf? Austin paid $1,500 for golf lessons, and then he just taught me. I just picked his brain. Say, yo, tell me everything the guy told you. Real quick. Got some free mentorship. News at 8:30. Yep. Yeah, we got news at 8:30. Got to take advantage of the mentorship. I say you pay $1,500. What'd he tell you? Talk to me. Tell me everything he told you. Do you consider the 5:30 a.m. candle as bullish celery play? Let's take a look. Or it's a simple breakout. What time? 5:30. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I was looking at it too like that too. Yeah, I do consider that somewhat of a celery play. It would be like a much more textbook celery play, like had this candle closed above too, right? Like, because that candle never closed above. So I would probably write it down as a breakout, but it is a celery play. Yeah, like let's say these are all imaginary ranges, right? Like if I hit right click and remove drawings, these ranges are gone, right? They're just my ranges. So like, yeah, the whole like formation of the candle though definitely looks celery-ish to me. Yep. Do you know which golf clubs to use at the right time? I didn't know, but now I know. Yeah, I got some help. That was my main question on almost every time we stopped is which club should I use? Which club should I use? Let's do it, AB Mike. The Don is in the chat. He's here.
I'm the original Don Dada.
You doing?
You doing?
All right, stay right here for us, Goldie, for 20 more minutes. I like that golf app that they got, where you can play it with the course or hook it up to the course. Man, that thing is sick. I can't see this candle running right now. It could, but I just don't see it happening. That's your problem. Yeah, I would be lost if I went golfing alone, man. Like I need to be with some people for like at least the next 5 to 6 times. Who won? Well, we played 2 games. We played 2-on-2 also. First game was me and Austin versus John and Clay. Me and Austin won that game. Second game was me and Clay versus John and Austin, and me and Clay won that game. So W's on the board for the golf outing. Hey, Nick, I watched the podcast he suggested with SMB Capital guys. Awesome podcast to watch. They love data as much as we do. Amen. Yeah, exactly. And those are the pros, man. Those are the professionals. I love listening to the pros. One thing I loved about that podcast also was how they just groom traders, right? And what they like to see in traders, how they help traders, how they encourage, if you got edge, to put on size. Like, I took a lot away from that. I also, one other thing I took away from, and I had already, because I've been listening to that guy Bella for a little bit, a couple years, and some of you guys know one way I tricked my brain early on was I was pretending that I worked for them, and I made up this whole story in my mind how it was COVID, and we couldn't go to the desk, to the floor, right? They call it the street. I couldn't go to the street and trade, so we were all trading from our home, and I was watching Raja on the live stream, and I was just pretending that he was assigned to me as my senior trader. And as a junior trader, it was my job to learn from him, to focus on why he was doing things, and learn the job, right? So, and no kidding, man, I would roll up like a button-up shirt and all that, just pretending that I was working for those guys, and tricking my brain to begin to really understand this stuff, I had to get out of that gambler mindset and get onto the professional mindset. So yeah, that's what and then recently when I was listening to them, I, especially from that podcast, I really began to see myself more. Began to see more of the business, right? How if you work for a firm, right? I love the 2-week evaluation. So I'm dropping a video on my last 2-week evaluation that I did. I filmed it, so you guys can start to see like how I'm looking at my trades every 2 weeks, seeing what I could have done better, seeing how things, played out, and just reviewing. And in that review, what I'm going to say is, hey, based on how you traded, based on how you're feeling, can we go up in size, right? And I'm going to earn the size. I'm going to really, take a couple professional steps and add a couple professional steps into my trading, right? And just have that meeting with me. And you have to be the trader, the owner of the firm, and the risk guy. You know what I mean? Like, you got to be all three of them, and you got to just finagle this in your brain. And I don't know. I don't know if this is a skill that I have or if everyone could do this, but you just have to pretend. You got to use your imagination in a way, and, coach, kind of take a look at your trading from a business standpoint outside of just a trader standpoint, and see like where you can do better. Maybe you should downsize, maybe you should upsize, right? When we took all those losses, right? You seen me significantly lower my risk, downsizing, just getting good trades on the board. And now, you'll begin to see me up it. And then every 2 weeks, I'm just going to do my own evaluation. So I encourage you guys to look into that and do that with yourself as well. It could be every 2 weeks. It could be every month. I think at least 2 weeks gives you enough data to talk to yourself a little bit. If you guys are down to do it together, let me know. Maybe we'll put something together. Yeah, if you guys would be down for, let's say, every 2 week evaluation, let me know, and we'll try and see if we can do something. I try to do it every weekend. Yeah. The one thing about recently is that I think volume's picking up now as we get into March here, but it's been a little slower. So I'm like, 1 week hasn't really been enough data for me. Yeah, we'll put something together. We'll create like a private Zoom, and maybe do it together. You guys could either we could look at my trades, or we can, pick somebody individually and, look at your trades and study your trades, because sometimes people can learn things from other people too, so I think it would be dope. Nice. Yeah, a lot of you guys would be down. All right. Yeah, we'll put something together. What's up, Cookie? Cookie. What up, Sunboy? Or yeah, Sunboy 90 comedy. Sunboy 90. Yeah, I really want to, like, I don't want this to be like entertainment in a way. Like, I love coming here. I really want to groom traders like to be $1 million like earners, man. Like, I want you guys to make millions. Like, I don't want you to make a couple $1,000 a month. I want you to make millions of dollars, and I want to make millions of dollars, right? So like, we're always our focus is always centered towards being there, you know, and you know you're not going to get there right away. So that's why you really have to enjoy that long-term vision, that longer-term plan. But in like 2-3 years, we can all easily be, you know, 7-figure, 8-figure traders. I don't see why not. Obviously not everyone, you know, because the cream always rises to the top, right? So there's always going to be that 80-20 law, and that'll work, you know, that'll work the same way here. But I really want to pour into that 20%, man, and really like enjoy life together. You know, I know we're all over the world and stuff, but like when you got enough of this, all over the world becomes your playground. You know what I mean? And we can hang out and have fun and do fun trips and enjoy life, you know. But I know everyone's not going to come for that ride, but there are serious people in the chat, and those are the people that I really want to work with, you know. Those are the people I really want to pour into. Like, eventually I'm not going to, you know, obviously I'm not going to live stream forever. So, you know, maybe in a couple of years, I don't have any plans of not live streaming yet, but you know, this isn't going to happen forever. So eventually I want to create my own SMB capital type of deal, like my own firm, and we can really like groom traders to really crush it, man, and kill it. Eating. Big plans. Trust me, TTE, this is just the beginning. Just the beginning. We're in the very, very early stages. Remember, we're just 1 year in. We're like 13 months in. So much has already happened. What do you mean not forever? Yeah, man. Yo, I remember when Raja pretty much stopped doing it consistently. I was like, I was quaking. Yeah, man. Get it while it's hot. I'm telling you, don't take it for granted. Don't take it for granted. It's easy to take it for granted. You know, we're up here every day, you know, talking, and it's free. So it's easy to take it for granted, but I hope you guys don't take it for granted. I know a lot of you guys take it very, very seriously, and that's why you'll get good results. Perez, yeah, Perez, let's go. Perez a 20%er. Scott's a 20%er. Let's go. Celery on the 15. I'm going to wait for the 1 hour candle. I'd much rather take a 1 hour celery over a 15-minute celery. Oh, bearish too? Nah. Yeah, Traders X. Happy to be a part of the elite. Yup. Yeah, we'll call you guys the elite too. Oh, and the elite is invited to everything I do. So they're just in regardless. Yeah, it's been fun working with you, Traders X. Really, really fun, man. You watch out for Trader X, chat. On the come up. Energy, too. Yeah, Energy's in there, too. A lot of elite members just crushing it. Hello, Nick. Hey, what up, Candle Slanger? What's good, what's good? Oh yeah, let's mark this up too right quick. So look, if we come straight down, I'm not going to take a breakout here, right? Like if the next candle drives down and we close bearish below the range, that's not my sell to take. So boom, bam, looks like that, I'm not going to take this sell because we're so bullish here today. So if we do this, then what I'm going to need to see is a new range, right? So I'm going to need to see some sort of a range 2 where we come back up and create a resistance, right? If we can do something like this, right, and then create resistance up here, then that would be ideal for me to look for sells. So it's either this, right, for sells today, or if you end up closing, or if you end up doing this sort of range within this area. So let's say you come down. So I'm not interested in sells here. If we close below, it will most likely move down, but I'm not interested in those sells because it can come up at any point. So if we kind of do something like this and then close below, I think I'd be open to take these now. Something like this, then I would look to trade right here. So there could be a range 2 within the range itself. That would also bring the 4-hour candle down, way back down again too. So I'd be much more confident in taking this sell versus just a simple breakout here, right? Because if you take a breakout right now going down, this can easily be where the fake out happens for price to move back up, being that we're extremely bullish here today. So I'd rather take this buy here versus a sell, you know, right here. And then if this candle here closes back above the range, then I'm looking for potential buys here in about 7 minutes. There's Green. Where you at, bud? You're late. Green's a busy man, bro. Green had them sleep stops activated. It'd be nice if we can give this candle a bottom wick and then reject right away and then move back up in the next 6 minutes and close above. You don't sleep enough? Maybe I don't. Maybe I do. All good. What up, Green? How you feeling, brother? Can you give us a strategy to flip our account? Yeah. Just send Nick Stewart ZZZ999 a message on Discord and we'll get you all set up. Feeling well rested? All right, Green, I see you. Yeah, that's perfect. If we can close back above here in 5, that's gonna be great. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. All right, perfect. Perfect. Lovely. Yeah, let's see if we can get this closure. Candle did exactly what he said it would. Now all we need to do, now we just need to have the next candle do exactly what we want it to. Hey Green, how you doing? I love that Nightbot says how you doing now. Exclamation point out. Hey, LeGrand, you already ate, man. You already ate good today. How old am I? 23. No, I'm just kidding. I'm 33. No, I'm just kidding. I'm 28. I'm just messing with you. I'm really 29. Just kidding. I just turned 30. Where's TK? He just finished uploading. He's good to go. He should be here. I just turned him on. All right, 25 seconds. Let's see if we can get this closure. And if we do, we're looking pretty good. All right, cool. Chat, I'm going to have buy stops on the break of the highs here. But this is a very risky trade, so take it at your own caution here. NY open, a lot of volume. Very risky trade here. But if we break the highs, we should move up. And that's kind of what I'm looking at here. Perez, where's that wrench? Yeah, if we can come down, yeah, perfect. Make a bottom wick and then break the highs, that'll be great. Great. Nightbot. But is Nightbot telling the truth? That's the question. So yeah, got a closure above here. So this is what we planned out. This is what we're gonna see if we can get activated on the break of those highs there for price to continue moving up. The wick fill is about 28 pips up, so that's gonna be where I close partials. And then there's a potential opportunity here to fill this wick way up there. Yeah. Yep, 30-minute candle close back in the range as well. So I'm not gonna enter on the break of the 30 high there. I'm gonna wait on this 1 hour celery entry and gonna take that. Push it, push it. Yeah, stops are kept below the lows here too for me. Buzz blab. Buzz blab. See if we can get activated. Hold on. Give me 1 sec, chat. All right, perfect. Push it, push it. Push it. Let's see. Have you worked out how to take partials? Yeah, I watched a video on it, so we should be good. We'll see if we can finagle it properly this time. But yeah. Forex hit. Hey guys, you see my live stream? Damn, how low can you go? Man, I would feel so corny doing that in someone's stream. I really would. Johnny Boy's in the house.
Yo, yo.
What's good?
What up, brother?
I don't know if it's me or... Oh, yeah, I think my volume is just way up.
What's poppin'?
Johnny Boy. How you feeling,
Nice little
G?
1 hour celery here.
Potentially, potentially.
What up, chat?
This
How y'all
is
doing?
my trade. This is where my stops
Happy
are.
Thursday.
Happy Thursday. How you doing, Johnny Boy?
How you doing?
Fun golf outing yesterday.
Facts, man. Very fun. Nice and relaxing. Very chill game.
Yeah, it was. It was fun. It was a good time.
Yes, sir. Yo, yo. What up, chat? What up, Wags, Energy, AB Mike, Scotty Boy? Good morning,
Scotty
y'all.
boy. Scotty boy. Yeah, it was a perfect day out too. Yesterday, you can't get a better day for golf than that day. Come on,
Facts. I don't think there was not a cloud in sight.
bro. Perfect day. It was
Literally.
like it was actually like 75 degrees Fahrenheit too, so it was like right in the money.
Yeah.
Honestly, anything hotter than that would have been toast, man, for like 18 holes.
Word,
That was
dude.
a long.
I got
That
a
was
pretty
a
good
long
tan.
time. You got
I got a
what?
pretty good tan myself. Yeah.
He did a little tan.
Did a little tanning.
Yeah, we do have news at 8:30. I'm expecting to, if we do break that high, to fill that wick though before 8:30. If we begin to push closer towards 8:30, then I'll delete it. 1 hour salary. We can see
Yeah,
a lot of
where's
rejection. Yeah, don't take it then. Don't take this trade, gang. This is gonna be our very risky trade here. So don't take this if you don't like it. Very risky trade. Yeah, we're expecting to be out towards like 820, right? If we can get activated, get a 820 push, move up, fill the wick, that's going to be our partials, and then that's pretty much where we're going to be out. And if not, I'm totally cool with taking a loss here. Totally cool with it. I do not mind taking a loss here one bit at all. I want to trust my edge here on this position. This is a playbook setup, so whether we win or lose, I can really care less, right? I just want to take the trade. I want to take the trade because it's a playbook position.
exactly? And it's our job to do it, you know?
Yeah.
When the edge arrives, we got to execute.
Yep. Nilla.
Yeah, hopefully 8:15 could just push us on up and get out and get on with our day after that.
Yeah, and then we could look towards like later because you got more news coming in at 9:45 too, so we should have more volume later. So this is what the trade's gonna look like for me. So just so you guys can see, stops are gonna be kept below the lows down here. The TP is gonna be up here. Gonna look to probably go break even or close partials right in this zone here. Right. Partials right there. Yeah, I think I've been activated. Yes, I've been activated here. So this is going to be the trade. So got into some buys here on gold. 1 hour celery play. Broke of the highs or break of the highs here. Idea is to go up and fill this wick and then see if we can run up the rest of the day here. So that's the trade. Stops are going to be kept below the lows here. If we close back in the range, I'll probably delete it. Looking to see a quick push here before 8:30. Yep, risky trade here too. Looking to see if we can move our way continued up. We already had some volume here at 6 a.m. So the next set of volume should come in here at 8 a.m. So that's what we're banking on here for that wick fill. And we'll see if we get it. You know, if not, it's totally fine. Boom. Nah, the pip counter's gone because Magic Keys is gone, man, and MT5 is gone. So yeah, the pip counter's gone. She gone. Yeah, it's the end of an era. Good old Magic Keys. I still look down for it sometimes. Yeah, I wish we still had the pip counter. That'd be nice.
All right.
How'd I get activated? I think I just might have had my... I don't know. I think I might have just had it maybe a little lower, maybe? Pretty sure I had it sitting right on it. So once it broke it. It broke. Yeah, so this is the plan if we do move up here, is probably to close partials right around this wick fill here. And then, or just move stops to break even. I'm not sure what I want to do just yet. I believe that's about 28 pips. So yeah, about 28 pips. So might close partials there. Might just let it run. In terms of if price goes against us here, if we begin to, let's say we close back below on the 30-minute time frame here, right? We close back below the range, then I'm gonna close the trade. Yeah, we really want to see the highs break again, and then a straight B line up towards 2211. 2211, 808.
Let's see.
Spread may have activated me a little bit there because doesn't seem like should have been activated.
Well, there's no spread.
There's a little spread. Sometimes it could spike.
Yeah.
What time frame? This is a trade heavily based off the 1 hour time frame here. Let's see here. Let's see. Not activated yet? Nice, nice. Yeah, if we re-break the highs, then you guys should get activated. We got 8:15 here too. How did the 15 close? So 15 closed bullish here as well. So let's see what happens with this 15-minute candle if we can get a quick run up and then fill that wick there. Where's my boy Joey Stu?
Joey Stu check.
Joey Stu check. Joey Stu check. It was nice out this morning, man. Nice and cool. Nice cool walk.
Yeah, I love it.
Did you go for a walk this morning?
Nah, I didn't.
It was beauty.
Heard.
Yeah, I didn't drink enough water yesterday, man. I had like a headache towards the end of the night. Had to do some deep breathing.
Had to get some oxygen in the brain.
Yeah, then this morning. All right, can we break the highs or what? Straight beeline to the wick fill. What could we do? What are we going to do? NY open? Activated? Yeah, I am in this trade. I am activated. Yeah, if we break that 15 low, I'm going to get out because we're creeping towards news and all that. So I really want to see us break the highs here and not come down and break that low. Do we get a bottom wick to move back up or what?
Let's see this.
Yeah, I'm going to put my stops below the lows here. Boom. Yeah, so now I cut my risk in half here.
Love you.
Yeah, because if we break the low and then news and all that, I'd rather just skate out, right? I want to see this thing break the highs and beeline. I do like that we got a bottom wick, which is good. I wanted to see that on the 15. Now, if we can move up here and break the high, that'd be awesome. Hey, from Thailand. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's good?
Thailand.
What's goody? What's goody? Thailand in the house. Will we get a ride up here with news? Here comes 8:20. So if we're gonna break the highs and fill that wick, it should happen right here in the next 5 minutes. If not, we're most likely gonna get a push in a certain direction here, up or down. I'm not too sure. We'll see in 1 minute. But here comes a push.
See what happens.
Will we go up or will we go down here? Yeah, stops. Yeah, stops you could move your stops to like current candle low now, current 1 hour low. Move your stops there because we shouldn't come back down now if we want to go up here. What up, Sandman?
Sandman.
Hey, yo, Sandman, how you doing?
Ooh.
Everybody love Thailand? Yeah, Thailand. What's good, Big Fire? Big fire. Oh, man, we didn't break that high.
Peace.
Yeah, if we break this low, I don't want to be in this anymore. Let's see. Yeah, if we break that low, yeah, chat, I'm out of here. I'm gonna close this position. Once
Didn't want to break that high.
I wanna see. I don't want to get out with because this could be the pack. So I want to see us break that low, and then if we come any further, then my stops are sitting there. But we might grab the pack to move up here. So I don't want to execute like 1 pip away or 1 tick away. I got my stops where I want them now, so we'll just leave it right there. Yeah, if we break again, we'll probably come down here. So that's why we moved stops from 2204, moved them up, cut our risk in half, and now just trust in that idea there. And we'll see if that's the pack for price to move up, or if it wants to break lows and then begin to trade back into like this consolidation range before news. News in 9 minutes.
Yeah. Price playing with us.
I have my protective stop loss.
No, it was good to cut the way to manage risk.
Yeah.
Cut the risk in half.
Remember, we took stops from here to here at this point, so we're golden. Yeah, stops could get slipped. Yep. Yeah, we got big high impact news here in 9 minutes, 8 minutes. So we'll see where we go. Yeah, trade was heavily based off of this 1 hour celery play here.
No, yeah, I thought the trade was very clean.
Yeah, trade is clean.
We didn't have news and stuff. So
News. Landscapers. They're coming. Yeah, we may be getting out of here. My stop is sitting there, so if it gets hit, it's perfect. If not, maybe we'll move up. Told y'all, risky trade. Very risky trade. Very risky.
because news.
Landscapers, yeah.
Landscapers come
that's
Wednesday
it.
now.
Perfect. So got out of there, half risk. W on managing risk here. Let's see if it would have tapped our full stops down here. Because if we're breaking that low, you should see a push down. Hit full stops maybe. Curious. Blow on the candle for me. Got filled because of spread. I would probably, yeah, I mean, that's where I moved my stop. I was happy with that. So where are your stops? You could leave them where they were. Maybe you'll survive with the push back up. As long as this candle closes above, news should push us up here. Time to quake. Time to quake. Yeah, 1 hour seller, you have to take that position, or I have to take that position.
Yeah.
Did I have to manage my stops? No, but we have news coming up, and if we broke the high, I would expect a pretty straight shot towards that wick fill. So that's where the management comes into play.
W management.
Yes, sir. Let's see if it works out. Did it nip us to keep going?
5 minutes for news.
Why was it a risky trade? It was a risky trade because it was, every trade's risky trade, but it was a risky trade because it was before news. But it's a risky trade just because it's a trade, right? Trades are always going to be risky. Calling Sam. Psh, Sam Capital.
Damn, capital check. Yeah, Lewis G.
Let me update the record
Discipline.
here.
W discipline. I'll follow in the playbook. Yes, sir.
.43rd loss in our history here on Time to Eat. Thank you guys for taking 43 losses with me over the past 13 months. How's it feel? Which one? One more. Monthly. Where's the monthly? Boom. Yo, where's the yearly? Oh, here it is.
43 lessons.
43 lessons. I like that. All right, yeah, I'm very curious now to see how this pans out. Let's update the record.
Yeah, me too. Let's see what news is gonna do.
I don't know why, but I hold. Hey, if you're holding, you may be good. You know, original stops are chilling right now, so everything is still above the range. You're still ahead in the trade here. 30 minutes still above the range as well. 15, same thing. You know, you close. You got this little range on the 15 now, but other than that, it looks pretty good. You know, you're still hanging out above there.
Yeah, still respecting that previous candle.
Yep. Yeah, we may still move up here.
We got 2 minutes here.
Hourly candle still open. Got 30 minutes left on this candle.
Chat, what's news gonna do? Up or down?
Up or down. Up or down. We're gonna do the record once. Yeah, let's do it now real quick. Or we'll do it once it's over. That was man, that was first loss in a while. I think we needed that.
Nice
What was
small
that?
loss.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, since the 8th. So since the 8th. Okay, let's see how news comes out here. Very curious to see how things roll here now. 15-minute pack may have been grabbed for a double time just to get me and then move back up here.
Pack.
Down a bit before yeah, we'll see. We'll see. First up, then down. We're hitting the seesaw play. Seesaw. Yeah, let's see how news comes out. We got 38 seconds here. 1 hour still looking really good.
It's literally going up and down. News is literally slowing this down a lot.
Yeah.
Price waiting on news.
We got them all. Yeah, honestly, if we broke those lows, though, it just kind of sounds like it will go down. But if this 15 closes above, man, which it did, then you might fire away and fill that wick. Either way, I'm happy with being out of here at this point because breaking those 15 lows for a second time, you may get a drive down here. Full margin. Let's go. Yeah, there you go. See, you may get a push down now after breaking the lows like that. Yeah. Later. Take a look at the 4 hour real quick. Yeah. Yeah, let's see how numbers came out here. Numbers came out. I think a little bit better than expected for the dollar here. So yeah, it didn't change too much, but I think it came out a little bit better for the dollar, so you may see a push down here.
Yep.
Yeah, there it goes.
Beautiful. W management.
Yep, boom. Full stops would have been tapped right there. W trade, guys. Yeah, now we'll wait. We'll wait on the 4 hour here. So there's a lot of funkiness going on here on this 4 hour. It broke the highs, but it's not really continuing to push. So this is going to be a big closure here in about 28 minutes, and we should get some more details on where price wants to go here. Yeah, still good for the dollar. Yep. Yep. Buy, sell, hold. Do it all. Just buy it now, sell it now, and just one goes in profit, and then close that one, and then wait till the other one goes in profit. Man,
say
trading
screw
is easy. I'm gonna play casino. Yeah, so not much action here. The big move was the 6 a.m. Eastern candle. That's where the volume came in. You didn't get much volume in London. You didn't get much volume in Asian. Actually, you did get a nice push down in London after the London Open, and that was about it. And then this was your second push there at 6. Yeah, where you got closures and all that. 30-minute closures. Nice candle there. So let's see where price wants to move here. Gambling's easier.
Back into the range.
Yep. Yeah, fake outs everywhere.
Yo, Scott, not enough time in the day.
Yeah, 6 a.m. Scott. You gotta pay attention to that candle, man. I gotta start getting on the desk around. I got to the desk at 6:30 when the candle closed. Went to the Discord. Boys are printing money. I'm like, I seen it. I'm like, I know someone's in this.
Yeah.
Should I hold my gold 1927 sell position? Sure. Yeah, why not?
You, brother.
Up to you. Up to you. You got about 31 pips. So remember, like I was saying, we probably come back into this like consolidation area here. Yeah, this is a big zone. You gotta see what happens in this zone here. But if you push your way through it and then you actually close below this support here, then yeah, that sell looks pretty good to continue down. 6 a.m. cheat candle. Yeah, not much of a reaction here at all. Here it comes. Yeah, you got more news coming in here too. So more news coming in at 9:45. We got about over an hour before that news comes in. So we'll peep game at like 9:15, probably 9:15, 9:30 maybe out of the radar here today, because we do have, this is pretty big news here, PMI, so we might stay away from 9:30. Hey, if you're new to trading and this was your first time ever taking a loss, congratulations. Congratulations. You made it. Nothing happened to you. You're still here. You're still alive. Time to thrive.
Sir.
Welcome. Welcome to the game.
Welcome to the game.
How
Many more to come.
doing? Yeah, welcome in.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, PM Magnifico. Let's get my boy. Yeah, so let's talk about that trade really quick. So basically what we were looking at there was, you have a very bullish day on our hands here today, right? Price was moving up, so we closed above there on the 1 hour time frame. We waited on this candle, right? We didn't want to touch this candle at from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Eastern. So we waited for it. We wanted to see, hey, will this candle actually close above that resistance there? And then that way it can give us one of our playbook positions. That playbook showed up, right? The candle did close above the range. Entry was on the break of the highs. Looks like we just got like nipped in there too, man. So just got in, and price decided to move down. Stops were kept below the lows, kind of where current price is sitting right here. But as we closed on the 15-minute bearish, right, we were gonna really expect this next candle to move up at 820, fill that wick, which was this high right here, but did not do that. Didn't break the high, and then broke the lows, and we just skated out of there. So managed risk. So I was cool with losing right here, but ended up losing pretty much up there, right? So cut about half the risk off, and I'm even cooler with half risk than full risk. So that was the trade. And now we just sit tight and wait for the next best position and see if it pops up here today.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Babusa, correct, man. Every trade is a win as long as you follow the plan. 100%, dude. I look at losses as they're just part of the process, man. If I'm trying to get my account from 1,000 to 10,000, there's gonna be losses in between, and it's just part of the process of me getting my account to 10 grand, right? It's just that's all it is, part of the process.
Yes, sir. Bink, bink. Oh. Yeah, because if price and the reason you have to take your playbook positions is because if price would have just, oh my god, and we didn't take that, I would have been more mad at that than like taking a loss or something, you know. I'd be more upset for not getting in the trade, right? You got to be disciplined to stay out of trades, but you have to be disciplined also to get into trades. So I would have been upset if that happened and we launched right there. Grind time is in the house. I was just thinking about you, brother.
Grind time.
I was just thinking about grind time, Mufasa.
Good, brother.
Why don't you use higher time frame power of 3 indicator? The same reason I just don't use any other indicator. No reason for that one specific, or same reason I don't use a fib or a RSI or a moving average. Dominic, he's back.
Dominic.
He's back. He's back for some more pips. Dominic, I think I seen Dominic in the London session, right? I'm pretty sure you took that trade, didn't you? Gold still bullish? No. After we broke, I mean, yes, overall, of course. But after we broke those 1 hour lows there, then for me, like had I not been activated, I would have deleted once we broke those lows.
Yo, whoever sent their charts in Discord yesterday at like 11 a.m. Eastern, really good trade.
Yeah.
Really like that.
Fire trade.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, Alexandros,
my guy. Why do you have no girls on your team? What do you mean? We got girls here.
Alexandros.
Don't make the girl power come out.
Sir, it's the community filled of brothers and sisters.
Don't make them come out. Nas moved up there with news. That's interesting. Oh, no, we did move down. Yeah, not much of a reaction here at all. Not much after a big FOMC day here yesterday. Perez is a girl. You guys didn't know that? No.
Perez, you sure about that, bro?
Hey, man. Some of y'all be trolling me, man. You guys' names like Jim, but you're really a girl. Holy.
Yeah.
Big Jim on YouTube.
Yeah, Perez, you got your girlfriend yet or no?
Perez.
Perez needs to get on Tinder.
Perez need to go to church.
Yeah, facts.
All right, Arnie. See you later. Go
Peace,
attend them
Arnie.
builders, my man. Have a great day.
Hey, what are we gonna be in the 70s here again today?
Yes,
Oh, 80s. Excuse
It's
me.
gonna be a nice one. It's gonna be a nice one today.
Yeah, man, got a nice tan out there on the course yesterday.
Big Jim.
Did you?
Yeah, probably a little bit. All right, Jacobus. Jacobus. All right,
Night,
Jacobus. How do we say it? Jaco
Um,
or Jacob?
I think
Jacob.
Jacobus.
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 Jacobus. Sweet dreams, my friend. Keep winning too, brother.
Yeah, man. Dream big.
Options in the house. Bye. Bye.
We got options.
Yeah, what a rip up yesterday, though, man.
Yo, right, bro. Broke all-time highs again.
What a rip.
Nice.
Yeah, did you guys, what time? So this happened at, hold on.
They're pretty
Did
much
you
right
guys
after F.
catch any of this? This wasn't bad here. This candle closing above. What time was that? I think that was the
It was
original.
like 3 or 4.
Yeah, you had a celery play here, a very weak one, but look at this candle. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a 30-minute candle look like that one right there. That might be the smallest candle I've ever seen. Right here.
Dude,
Sheesh.
facts. Holy shit.
Chad, have you guys seen a candle that small? That's like one of the smallest ones I've ever seen.
Pretty dope.
Sheesh.
Yo, what's up, Andrew? Man, I did pretty good honestly yesterday for my first time golfing. Not gonna lie, didn't do bad.
Yeah, nah, we did pretty good.
Yeah. Facts, bro. Nick, you got a nice little lefty swing to you.
Bro, don't sleep, man. It's always time to eat.
Facts. My favorite part I think of golfing is just bombing it to the flag.
Nah, I like being like 130 out, 150 out. I think that was the best one, and then getting on the
Yeah.
green.
Hell yeah, dude. I'm just bombing that.
Yeah, dude. Bringing out the 9-iron, you know what I mean?
Nah. Dude's like, just take my 9. I'm like, bro, what is that?
I'm about to go like to the range today. My
Dude,
wife's gonna
we
be
got
calling me.
Topgolf.
She's gonna be like, "Where are you?" I'm like, "I'm at the golf course." Like, what?
People in front of me are taking forever.
She's gonna start hitting me up like, "Yo, where are you?" I'm like, the driving range."
I thought you said you were going to the gym.
No, I said the driving range. Yeah. Oh man.
Yeah. That's hilarious. Good, Muhammad. I'm doing great, bro. How you doing?
Trading is manipulated by the big banks that control price and economic. Otherwise, the retail traders control the markets of the world would end and economy would crush. Donald Trump would be poor. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? My boy's golfing with the big. Hey, Sandman. Once you come down here, it's all in the hips. It's all in the hips.
Just tap it in.
It's all in that torso, man. Not gonna lie, like it's not in the
Yeah.
arms at all.
Nah, dude.
Yeah,
Nah, man.
that's all torso.
Same man.
It's all in the hips. Tap it in. You're on the green. Like, and then you don't get it in. You're like, bruh. Stop
Yo,
playing.
those putters were tougher than I thought.
Not me, man. Don't think they're easy for me. Easy peasy.
That's in the beginning, bro. I mean, after that, I was chilling. But Scotty boy, Scott, we're gonna hit the golf course together very soon.
Trump is poor because of New York. Trust me, Trump ain't poor, G. Trust me. I caught the golf bug. I think so. Golfing seems, yo, honestly, for me, golfing seemed hard until I tried it. And then I was like, wow, that's actually not that complicated. Like, obviously, I wasn't like anything amazing, but like, I can see myself getting pretty good at that if I consistently played.
Yeah.
All right, 10 minutes
me and
here
Nick,
left on this 1 hour candle. So we got a little bit of time.
we had the right attitude. I mean, that's why we performed as good as we did.
Yeah. It was all about progression. Yesterday was a progression day.
Yep.
It wasn't about who wins.
Scott, sounds good, dude.
He has more money than New York. Hey, yeah, I guess is he poor compared to who? You know, I'm sure he is poor compared to some people, but it's all about who you're comparing him to. An Arab prince. Did I make any par or birdie? I mean, I heard the terms thrown around there, but I'm not familiar with the term, so I may have. I don't know.
Yeah, I didn't know golf had a language.
Check office setups. Let's take a look. Hey. Okay, Alexandros. Show off. He's showing off right now. I see it. Showing off, baby. Nice way to make some money, eh?
All right, bro.
Hey, if you guys are new here, you guys can join our free Discord. Show us where you trade from. We want to see where you trade from. Look at this one. This is lovely. Yeah, let's see your desk setup. Post it in the desk setup section. Channel. Oh! Gross. This guy. Hero of the day is a busy man.
Damn, hero of the day.
Brax.
What the hell?
All right, Goldie, what's the deal here?
TK, what up? What up, TK?
TK, what up? Oh man,
Yeah.
TK, when we going to Kiki's? When we going
Kiki's
to
next time.
not Longhouse, what's it called? Texas Roadhouse again, bro. Longhouse.
Yo,
Hey yo, TK.
How you doing?
TK, we have to crumble next time.
Yo, stop playing with the crumble, man. Oh, tomorrow's Friday.
Yes, sir.
Hey, chat. Crumble on John. What do you think?
We out.
Crumble on Johnny boy?
As long as you hit the gym every day,
Or crumble on
you
Joey
get
Boy.
crumble on Joey. If Joe's not here, it crumbles on him. Joe check? All right, Joe's not here.
Yeah, where's Joe? He failed the first check.
And he failed the second checks.
Anyone got news on top one? Yeah, you guys should have everything on top for all your top one accounts by tomorrow the latest. Most of you guys should already have them. If you don't have anything by the weekend, just put a message like in the Discord or something, and we'll see what's up. What broker am I using? I'm using Tradeovate. Tradeovate. Hey, Alexandros, you what are you snowboarding? Snowboarding right now? Hey, we got another one. Let's go. Time to eat. You always got to have a plate in front of you. What's that? Ego is the enemy, it looks like. All right? I think so. I think so. Everything looks good besides these AirPods here. You see these? These will zap your brain. Will fry. It's like putting your brain in a microwave when you wear these. Right, Green? That's why
that's what you gotta do.
That's why you guys always see me wearing wire headphones. Oh, what's this? Oh, nice. Hey. Simple, but nice lighting, nice music. I dig it. I know, but the AirPod Max, yeah, I have my brain in a microwave for like 3 hours a day, but I can't do it any longer than that.
Bro, what are you gonna do, you know?
Remember when you could dump your peanut shells on the floor? Nah, I don't remember that. Is that actually real? Damn. Remember somebody sued McDonald's because the coffee burned them? That was a crazy lawsuit. And then Red Bull for not getting wings. Holy. AirPod Max? Yeah, exactly. Yup. No music today? Yeah, I put it lower. I'll make it a little higher. All right, 4-hour closure coming up. Give me 1 sec. I'll BRB.
BRB, time to do some push-ups, bro. Yeah, so 4 minutes here for 1 hour closure. Forex Frank, I don't like remember that. I didn't know you could do that at Texas Roadhouse. Nice. Ante up ace. You're on Match Trader with top one. Nice. How you guys liking Match Trader? Those of you who are trying it out. Oh damn, TK. I didn't even know that. Damn, got you. Sheesh.
Holy.
That's Texas Roadhouse, all the barbecue spots. Word.
Look at this candle. Back up
What was
above
my
the range.
Dominic, I was averaging like 4 or 5 on each hole. Wasn't bad at all.
We both did better than expected, man.
Yeah, man.
And Austin and Clay were great.
Yep.
They're like, beautiful shot. I'm like, dude, that was a ground ball. Not bad, though. Not bad for your first time.
Like beautiful shot. I'm like, is it like?
For your first shot? Yeah. Damn, I don't remember that. Throwing shells on the floor.
I don't either. Yeah, it took me a couple, swings to get used to it and get the form correct. That's what I missed my first 2 times.
We played what was the style? Like the type of game. What was it again? We basically played 2-on-2. Was it scramble?
Yeah.
Where you take like you both shoot or you both not shoot, right? You both take a shot, take a swing? I don't know. What's the terminology in golf? You both get your swings in.
Well,
And then whoever's ball, like you could play whoever's ball, so it kind of like sped it up because we were playing like 18 holes.
yeah, and you just take the better ball. Yeah,
Scramble.
facts.
Yeah, scramble. Yep. Oh wow, are we gonna re-break the highs here now in 40 seconds, or are we gonna close with no top wick here? Let's see. Hit the ball. There you go. Yeah, no, that was
Damn, I
fun.
wish.
We need some of you guys down here so we can get a big golf game going.
Facts. Damn, I
Yeah.
wish stops were massive.
Yeah, we got a new 4-hour open here, so we gotta. I think another move down here on the open of the 4-hour, 15-minute. Let me see the 15 real quick. Yeah, so you probably need a closure now above these highs here on the 15.
15 looks like really wicky though, honestly.
Yeah, you're going to need a closure above there. This is where we continue to reject from. Reject, reject, reject. Rejections right here. Rejection right here as well. So, yeah, you're going to need some sort of a closure. Oh, that's the 5-minute. Yeah, the 5's been chopping around. Yeah, nasty price action here. All in all, though, it looks like we want to try and move up, right? This 4-hour candle closed pretty strong bullish. It's trying to move up, but not working the best. Yeah, what I would really like to see now is some sort of a bearish closure and then support formed and then an actual closure above, and then you should be good to go. Yeah, but nasty area now that we're sitting in here. Yeah, we can adjust our ranges here too, because we have new price action now. So not every day will you get like new price action printed, but we are beginning to do that here. I'm going to use the 15-minute area here. It's also the 30-minute. A lot of wicks in this area, so you really need to break out of this range now. Yeah, chopping. Looks like news might have been the only reason to stay out of such a beautiful 1-hour celery. Yeah, I think so. Yes, I agree. I agree, Xander. Yep. Yeah, that's why I was saying that the trade that we took was a very risky. It was more of a risky trade. We had edge on it, but we had a lot of um, risk too because of the news coming in. Right. So on a normal like regular day, you get that celery price should really like just break the highs and run. But with news, it can go either way. So that's where you bring on the extra risk when it comes to taking that trade. Positioning, yeah. Powell speaks again tomorrow, I believe. Yeah, tomorrow, I think. Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow at 9 a.m. So in 24 hours, he'll hit the stage again. He'll hit it. Yep. Barcode strat. What do you mean by new price management? No, new price action. So now you got a new support sitting there, right? So earlier where we were kind of looking for range 2 sells below here, you can make a claim now that after all this rejection plus rejection on the 4 hour, that maybe, just maybe, price is going to want to move down here now, right? Because remember, the daily still has no bottom wick too. So this thing may push down, but I'm still pretty bullish as of right now. If we get a range 2 sell below there, then I'll be open, but I'm still pretty bullish for the most part here. But I want to see what's on the chart here now. So now we got that support there, pretty strong area, never closed below, but if we do get a closure and we get some sort of a range 2, then I think that'll be a good trade. JP coming. And then how did we close here on NAS? Closed bullish. We moved up. Bottom wicks should come down and give this candle a low. 30-minute did close bearish here too. 15-minute. Yeah, this ain't looking bad for.
Damn, NAS had some nice buys before.
Yeah.
I think like 7:30 about.
Yeah, so if you can get another closure below, there may be opportunities to take sells on NAS.
NASDAQ.
But Goldie's chopping.
Yeah, Scott, that podcast was fire. Yeah, really like how they groom their traders there at SMB. Independent traders, retail traders can do the same exact thing that they do as well.
Took a buy off London 15-minute. Nice. London session. What time? This was a good move here. Nice clean candles. Looks like you tapped perfect. Looks like pre-London moved up, eh? And then London open kind of pushed everything down. So we've been in this little bit of a range all day here.
Yeah, not the best price action today.
There you go. There you go, Scott.
Get it, Scott?
Them DRCs, man.
Bro, I would love to check yours out, man.
Keep a trader hot.
Hell yeah, man.
Nah, we haven't traded NQ in like since last month. Yeah. Hey, we talking trader link ups? All right, let's do it. Might as well keep driving. Grab Scott, keep driving down to Tampa, and we'll play some golf. We in there.
Dude.
Everything I do now is going to be centered around golf.
Golf and steaks.
You guys are going to hear me start talking like golf term and all that?
4.
Chat 4. TTG, time to golf.
PTG now. Let's go. Yeah, dude. Starting April though, we got to talk about that TT meetup.
Mm-hmm.
Come to the charts with a glove on, yo, Dominic. Can you just see Nick pull up the charts with a glove on, the golf glove,
Let's start
on
wearing
one hand,
Start wearing a glove while I trade.
and only one hand. Because that's
Don't
how
let
they do it.
don't let me take a win with that glove on too, because then I'll just leave the glove on.
Keep it up.
Every session, my glove will be sitting here. Time to get the glove on. Gloves on.
Go hug your wife with your glove on.
Gloves on. Socks are on right side out. Lele's what was it again? Lele's sock, right? Too. What's the TT sock thing going on, man? First it was my sock, then it was Alea's sock. Socks in the pocket. That'd be funny. Top 5 things to keep in mind for a new joiner before any trade. Make sure it makes sense to you. You know, if you're I don't see that you're a new trader. I just see you're a new joiner. So I'm guessing you have experience. Don't just take my trades because I'm up here in the little spot with the camera on me. Just, you know, stick to your playbook. You know, I think more so if you have a different style of trading and you want to continue coming here, come here for the mentality, the mindset, the thought process, but stick to what you know works. You know, like don't just take a trade because myself or some other like live streamer is going to get into a trade. That's gambling. You know, that's gambling, especially if you haven't been on the stream for like at least a couple, you know, weeks to a couple months. You don't want to do that. You want to stick to your data. If you don't have any data, then you can learn through our data. But yeah, that's probably about it. Don't over risk, don't over trade, and don't just take a trade because I'm taking it. You know, really study what's going on and then build up some sort of a system for yourself.
Trading business.
Yeah, trading business.
Amen.
Stop loss about to get hit. 4. Start screaming to chat. Guys in the chat game. Negative 50 bits. Damn. Five things like what? Technicals, mindset. What do you mean? What type of things? Like things to look for on the charts, things to think about. What do you mean? Sounds like a good question. I'm just trying to figure out how to answer it.
Yeah, facts.
Here for the vibes. Farmer Pip.
I mean, I guess we could start with the basics. Like, bro, find an edge. Be patient and disciplined to that edge. In your edge, have a plan. Have a plan to manage risk in terms of winning situations and losing situations. And learn how to handle losses. I feel like those 5 things are pretty solid right there.
That's true. Yeah, you got to learn how to handle losses, and you got to learn how to handle wins, because just as easy as you taking a loss and losing money and being like, I want to get that back, you can just as easy take a win and say, I want more, right? And that sometimes is really dangerous as well. So you got to make sure you're solid on both ends, whether you win trades or lose trades. You know, you don't want to just all of a sudden get this like emotion that takes over you, like your eyes light up, like, oh my God, I just made X amount of dollars. Let me get right back in, you know? So that's another thing to kind of think about.
For me personally, like what helps me not get too high on wins and not dwell on my losses is just having a solid relationship with just me and my trading edge. Like at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day, knowing that, okay, like it's just me and my edge here in the markets. Like all I gotta do today is trade my edge and I'll win, right? It doesn't matter if I win the trade, it doesn't matter if I lose the trade. Only thing that matters is I follow my trading edge and I execute on my trading edge. And then that's it, right? Because that's the main goal here for us and for traders. So
Yep. Yeah. How do you set yourself up in the morning to get ready for the charts? I have a morning routine, man. I'm up like 5, 6, like I'm up like 2 hours before I even look at the chart. Almost 2 hours, like an hour and a half before I ever look at charts. So I have a whole morning routine, a whole system. I like to do my morning routine here. I like to go outside, take a walk. Like I hate rushing onto the chart. I never did well like that. So for like the last like 2.5 years, I've just had a morning routine. So I do my morning routine and then I'll look at the charts. Right? That way I'm outside, you know, I'm going for a walk, a little bit of exercise, moving around, not just waking up and jumping straight to financial decisions. Woo, right? These are, you got to make very important decisions here on in the market. So I want to be up and active before that. That way I could be a little bit more clear-headed when approaching the desk.
facts. Yeah, or jump even your phone. Like I wouldn't jump straight to the phone either. Like when I take my walks in the morning, I really like to leave everything behind and just bring myself, like just have a conversation with myself throughout the whole walk, and just, you know, see what's the goal today, what's my job today, what am I going to do today that's going to help me in the future, you know, ask myself why, how, you know. So just that's something that really works out for me. Yeah, I agree with AB Mike. Like that the morning routine is the most underrated and important part of
The day.
Of like the day. Yeah, legit. And if you can know how to master your morning and master yourself in the morning, I think you'll do very good.
Yeah, big time. Yeah, you get the morning right, everything after the morning will, even if things don't necessarily go your way during the day, you'll be more equipped to handle it because you set your intentions early on in the day that you were going to have a good day, that you were going to have a positive outlook on things that day. And then, you know, a lot of times your day will go smooth, man. But when it doesn't, you know, there's always going to be these little things that go on on a day-to-day basis. At least you are fit to, you know, handle that properly. So, yeah. What was it? Own the morning, elevate your life, right? 5 a.m. club?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the morning's everything. No distractions in the morning either. Everyone's sleeping, nice and quiet. Good to see you all, mates. What up, Volume Hunter? After pumping your blood, calming your mind, you open the charts. What do you do next? Look at the daily structure, trend. Oh, you guys see me. You guys see what I do. So if you got, every single morning I do the same exact thing, right? I start with a brand new canvas, delete everything. I go from the weekly and I just start doing my top-down analysis from the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute. And then I get my bias on the day. I get the ranges I'm looking to trade. And then I just wait. Yeah, pretty much you guys see me when I jump on the charts every day. Not every day, but most days when I jump here is pretty much my first look at the charts, either from New York session the day before or, you know, Asian session if I was, you know, involved. Good deep breaths too, man. Good deep breaths in the morning.
Yo, facts, man.
Yeah, there you go, Scott.
Yeah, Scott, I love that. Shows you how important it really is.
Yeah, there was a time where I would yeah. There was a time where I would just jump out of bed onto the charts. And there was an even worse time before that where I would literally wake up. This one kid, I bought signals from him. And I would wait, and he would send his signals out at like 4 in the morning every day. So I would literally just leave my phone on the nightstand next to me and just go to sleep with keeping in mind like for the alert to come in. And I would take the trade and just literally wake up. Like sometimes I would wake up like 10 minutes after the trade was called, and I just take it because I had no idea what I was doing. It was like a scalp position. It was like, imagine I'm like, yo, take a buy now, and then 10 minutes later you get in.
Dude, that's crazy. That could never work.
I was like, wah, wah. I'm not rich yet. Yeah. Good afternoon, my friend. Passed the 50K giveaway yesterday, bro. Oh, nice. Cruising into profit. He was one of the first giveaway winners, too. W, man.
Oh,
Congratulations.
congrats, bro.
Yeah, there was a few other people who moved on, too, as well, past their challenges. So shout out to all you guys taking advantage of that opportunity that was given to you. W. Did we get a top wick on the 15 or not? No. Yeah, you got clean range coming down below 98 here today, too.
Hey, yo, what up, Greenery?
Man, it's cruised into profit. Yo, legit, bro. You cruising into profit, G. I dig it. I dig it. I like your style.
That's why it's his name.
When did you have your breakthrough? I believe breakthroughs they happen all the time. So like, there's still more breakthroughs to come. My first big breakthrough was in a jail cell in 2010, and life has never been the same since. Had an encounter with the Lord Jesus and absolutely changed my life for the better. Just put me, basically, like the song says, right? It's like, pick me up, turn me around, place my feet on solid ground, right? Solid grounds. Place me in a different direction, led me to entrepreneurs, led me to business owners that I was able to learn from in my, early to mid 20s. And that changed everything for me. Everything.
That's legit. That's literally what he did.
So that's why we talk about everything happens for you, right? Not to you, but for you. Because in the midst of all that, right, you think, oh man, like what good can come from this, right? But man, wow, did good come from that? Man, I'll tell you, just amazing. So that was one of my breakthroughs, one of my early breakthroughs. He picked me up, he turned me around, he placed my feet on solid ground. Yeah, placed my feet on solid ground, man. It gave me direction. It was the best thing that ever happened to me. Check GJ. Who's GJ? GJ who? GJ who?
GJ.
Who's GJ?
I forgot about GJ, honestly.
GJ talks.
The Toxic X is GJ.
Yeah,
Buzz Blab.
Buzz Blab. Yeah, you don't want to take NAS sells too early, man. This 1 hour is bullish, 4 hours bullish, daily's bullish. You know, the only thing that's really bearish here is the 30-minute, and the 15's consolidating. So not really the time and the place to take a position on the NASDAQ yet. Especially if you're looking for sells. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. What are we going to do with you?
And this price action this week is chopped.
Choppy, choppy.
Slow, a slow
Look at
week for the
this.
business.
Slow week in the business here. Look at this. Was all week here. This was yesterday. And then today. Back in a range. The famous words of Uncle Scalp. Stay out of the chat.
Facts.
Hey, we got him on some of the live streams talking. We could probably
Get him,
get on the soundboard, bro.
Yeah, please do.
We gotta figure out what day he made that video, and like it was like probably the next couple days he would be like, "That's the chop. That's the chop. Stay out of the chop."
That's hilarious.
Unk, yeah. Hey Nick, playbook. How do you trade the flip setup? Do you wait for the candle to close? Yes. Time frame is more accurate. Yeah, the 1 hour and the 30-minute are always going to be the most accurate time frames from what I've seen. But typically when I'm going to enter on the flip these days, it's very rare. You could look at my journal. It's been a while since we actually executed on the flip. But let's say we wanted to take a sell, right? And price just, and we want to take it on the next candle here. So we want to see a top wick, you know, come up before we take the sell. But let's say that doesn't happen, right? And we kind of move down like this first. But then all of a sudden we begin to come back, and price now creates a top wick. So now it looks something like this, right? And let's say we respect the highs. I will enter now when the candle flips bearish. Because you can't enter on the break of the current low because it's way down here. You can't enter on the break of the previous low because that's way down here. So if you come up and fail to break the highs and then re-flip, that's typically when you'll see me enter on the flip nowadays. I don't like to enter on the flip too much, especially when there's like something like this hanging out right to the, like right below it. Let's say something like this, right? I would much rather take my sell off that break of the low, because price had already flipped and, you know, came down. If it doesn't re-break that low now, it may not be valid. So I always like to see if I can get that current candle low if possible, when I'm taking my trades. Yeah, sometimes it'll be, let's draw it a little closer like this. Alright, so anytime you see like this, I would highly recommend waiting for the low there to break. Because what I would do is I would enter on the flip, and then sometimes price would go against me. And then I noticed that when that low is sitting there, I had a much better probability of winning the trade if I waited for that low to break. Because at the same time, you have a high here, right? And then a new low, and then a new high. And then once you break this low, you should come down, right? To re-break the low to create new lows. So that's kind of the idea behind it too. Just like the market would trend, so will the candles. Oh, look at this. See, NAS up now. Looks so good on the 30-minute, but 1 hour, 4 hour, higher time frames were bullish here. It's tough to trade NAS because we're in all-time highs here. We're in no man's land.
Go with the NAS in space right now.
How much of a top wick do you need? There's really no set answer for that question, to be honest. You just want a top wick. You know, you want an A top wick. Sometimes if you look left, you can see where certain wicks have gone to. So that is something that you can keep in mind, right? That you can, oh, I want to see a wick down into this range or that range, just because there's a bunch of other wicks to the left-hand side. But there's really no one size fits all answer to that question. It's not easy. Yeah, it's not easy. Takes a lot of practice, a lot of chart time.
Simple, but not easy.
Yeah. That's why, like, you don't want to waste your chart time, right? Within the time you spend on the charts, you want to develop that playbook that we always talk about. I have developed my playbook. Now I can only kind of talk to you about my playbook, but the work on your end is developing your playbook. And it could be very similar. Like me and Raja have very similar playbooks, but do we take the same exact trades all the time? Nope. Right? Do we look at the markets exactly the same? Nope. Is there anything wrong with that? Nope. Right? Everyone's going to have their own personal experience in the markets and what they like, but you can base it off of a winning playbook and then kind of put in that chart time, the work that needs to be put in, and then that's where you kind of find your own little details and your own little nuances, and you kind of put the puzzle together. No one's going to do that for you, right? So that's the work that you have to do on your own. So it begins to get simplified once you understand that concept, but still not easy, right? Still never easy peasy. All right, yeah, we closed in the range here. So we got 930, we got volume. You may see a really hard move down here, but I'm not gonna touch this. We'd never close below, and we got news coming out here in 15 minutes now. So you may see a lot of volume come in here. Look left to get right. Yeah, that's true. True
Hey.
that.
Bar. Man, all we got is an orange folder at 10, so after 9:45.
Yeah, we should be able to get something else here today.
It ain't over till it's over.
But with God, all things are possible. Yes, keep pushing. Yep. The more time I spend in life, the more I realize we really don't need anything outside of God's word, his plan on our life, and faith to go after that plan and that vision. That's really all we need. We don't need these stupid social media accounts. We don't need these stupid chocolate chip cookies. We don't need any of it. We don't need these fancy clothes. We don't need none of it. We literally just need to run the race in which we're called to. That will satisfy you more than the new shirt, the new pants, the new shoes, the dopamine hits on social media, the cookies.
Yeah, man. The cookies. Thanks, bro.
I be getting biblical now when the cookies come around. I'm like, no. That's the woman in the red dress from Proverbs. Ain't gonna happen. That's the wayward woman right there trying to lure me to the slaughterhouse.
Funny, bro.
Yeah, man. Be getting
Yeah, man.
biblical
All
on these
things are
cookies.
possible, bro. All things are possible with God. Don't let anyone limit you or cap your beliefs. Whatever you want to do, man, you can do it.
No more crumble cookies.
Done with them. We're blowing up the we're blowing up the store today.
Don't say that, man. They might come knocking on the door. Dunk, dunk, dunk,
Yeah,
dunk.
chill, I'm joking, bro. I'm joking.
Are you John Stewart from the Time to Eat live streams? Yeah, we tune in every day, man. Just want to say great job, man. Hey, yo, Green. Talk to the people, man. Give them a story or something. Tell them a
Give 'em a
story.
word.
Give them a word, brother.
Give him a word or two.
Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today.
Yeah, man, we vibing here. We vibing on this beautiful Thursday. Chill Thursday.
It is a lovely Thursday.
Yeah, man, I can't complain, man. Very grateful.
Look at this. We broke the 4-hour lows. Nice.
Good.
We got
I want to
news,
see gold
little
continue
bit of
down.
news. Yeah. 4-hour lows have been broke. Daily still no bottom wick.
What is it? Nice work, Green.
What'd he do?
Definitely gave you a word.
Damn, son.
Mm.
Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Nice. I dig it. Yeah, 4-hour lows broke here. No, that's not good, Green. We need another one. It's not good. Damn, I had this YouTube thing playing the whole time. Wow. Hey, those of you guys that are wondering about the SMB Capital Pod, I had a few of you guys ask me. It's going to be, I think, where do we put that? I just posted it. London, right? Yeah, London. Yeah, if you go to the London section channel, these are two really good ones with this dude, Bella. Really good. Yeah, this one was fire too.
Sir.
You guys know the B Trader, right? I've talked about him a few times. I love the guests that he brings on.
Yes.
Yeah, this dude's the owner of SMB Capital, man. Big trading firm in New York.
Man, it's a G.
It's crazy his story, man. Like him and his boy from back home started that company and it blew up. They be funding traders with like 50 million.
Yep.
Up to 50 million, 20 million. The big boys. I'm gonna have when Maverick graduates, I'm gonna have him go down there.
Might as well, bro. Honestly. They get
Graduate.
salaries too and everything.
They get the salary. Yeah, that's a real prop firm. Like what you guys call prop firms, those are called funding companies. There's a big difference. Big difference. Are you using Oanda charts? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much off Oanda. Gold's boring today? Yeah. Chat's boring today too, man. What's up with y'all? Where you guys at? Is chat even alive today? You guys had motion this morning, man. Chat had a lot of motion this morning. And then they were just like, womp, womp, womp.
Yeah, what happened? Got tired?
How you doing? Guys got to get up and do some jumping jacks. There you go. Okay. I wasn't sure if it was just me and John and Scott and and Sandman.
And Sandman. Hey, what up, Z Gamer?
I'm just kidding. You guys are good. You guys are good. Don't worry about it. We here. Trading's boring.
A little trolling. Yeah, bro. Definitely boring. Joey Stuchek.
Joe Stu, where you at, bud?
Third one, lucky. Third's our lucky charm.
I thought you guys were all hanging out with Joe Stewart. Billy O'Neill, what up, my boy? What's good? What's good? Yeah, today's a boring day here.
Yeah, man.
I was expecting like lots of action here today.
I pulled up Forex Factory and I looked at it and I debated even coming to the charts.
Started working on that ice cream business. Hey, let's go. Honestly, I believe you. Ice Pips. Yeah, I was teaching my kids about the ice cream business. Teaching them the trade-off, man.
Yeah, bro, teach them while they're young.
I got a couple things together, a couple toys. I said, what toys do you want? And they pointed them, Alea pointed them out, and I said, all right, I'll give you these for a little bit of ice cream. Because you're the ice cream lady.
Show them what a trade-off means of exchange is. Nice.
Yeah. Ice Pips, let's go.
Next is teach Alea how to flip her Paw Patrol toys.
All right, now you see these? Don't take them out of the box for the next 25 years. Just hold them down. Yeah, so 9:30, push down. Nothing too crazy. Got news coming up here in 5 minutes. So this candle has no top wick. Yeah, so will we go back up here for news? 4 hour broke the lows already here. Wow, daily candles just rejecting, right? So trying to come back down here. Maybe that bottom wick is the issue. 4 hour broke lows. 30-minute never closed below the range though. That's the thing. Yeah, the other option for the flip, for those wondering about the flip, is like, let's say price, you got news coming out, right? So let's say this 15-minute candle closes, let me use the red one, closes below the range, like this, right? Below this range here. And then news just automatically pops us up, right? But we don't break the highs or anything. On the flip back down is a great entry. Yeah, that's your other option for the flip. From what I've seen, that works most of the time. It would be off of news in a very high volume. NQ all-time highs, eh? Yeah. Gold, NAS, damn. Hey, we got some new mods coming in too. A new mod. Maybe it will have an S on the end. And we got two 50K challenge account giveaways. I don't know if we should do them today, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so maybe we'll do them tomorrow. Someone's getting a wrench. I like our mods. I like our mods right now. We got good mods here. We got great mods. We do a little modding. All right, 1 minute here for news to come out. Who do you guys think we should pick for a new mod? Who's been helpful? Who's been here? Who's been active? Who's been consistent? What do you think, chat?
I already know who it is. I already know in my mind who I think it is, who it should be.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Me sounds like Mayor Humdigger. All my parents got kids. Watch Paw Patrol. Me. There's a couple. Yeah, there's always a couple. Picking mods is really hard because I don't want anyone to feel bad. So picking mods sometimes tough because there's a lot of people that could be mods, you know. Evil kitties. Yeah, it's hard to choose. Z Gamer. What were you gonna say, John? You're what?
I said I am a mod. Someone said John for mod.
John's a mod? Let me see. Type in the chat. Who modded this guy?
Stop the cat.
Legrand's gonna start campaigning. You could start now. Start it up. Start it up.
Yeah, I got the wrench.
Hey, Johnny still got wrench. All right, no doubt. All right, 10 seconds here. Will we move back up or will we push down here? Let's see. 3, 2, 1.
Later.
So far, not much. Yeah, if we did like a fake out here, then buys it might look good to come back up.
Damn it.
Johnny with the wrench. Joe Stew, man. I tried to get him in the running, but just ain't happening.
Joey Stew check. Yeah.
Just ain't going down. Just not. I guess it's just not meant to be right now.
Dominic, you're the G, bro. You're the G.
Do we flip bullish here on the 30? Remember, no closure below on the 30. Remember yesterday with the 4-hour candle? It's a very similar situation here.
So far, news ain't doing anything.
Nothing. How's the hour candle looking? Yeah, hour candle's looking like a bleeder here, man. It's a bit of a boring day, not gonna lie.
Pretty boring week, but definitely a boring day.
Yeah, you got a support 9 pips away here. You may bring in more volume though now, like on the 30-minute candle here, and maybe we just don't create a top wick, but we never close below there. So at any point, if we don't break that low right here, you can pull back, right, and flip bullish. Can someone drop the Discord? Yeah, just hit exclamation point Discord in the chat. Oh yeah, there it is. There you go. London was fire. I know. Yeah, London was the move here. You had a nice move down during London and a nice move up. How did news come out?
I guess good.
You got green numbers here. Yeah, so I think gold should be good to continue moving down now. Yeah, gonna see. Oh, what am I doing? 1 minute. Yeah, the hour candle closes up here in 10 minutes, so we'll see how we close and then go from there. You might have a later move here today too.
But it's looking like.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Yeah, news positive for the dollar. Yep. Yes, sir, Z Gamer. Yeah, those of you who don't know, the simple basics for news is if gold goes down, it's good for the dollar. If it goes up, it's bad. Yeah, Z Gamer. We do have clean traffic, for sure. Yeah, yeah, facts, Buzz Blab. Current daily candle has no bottom wick, so we may want to come down here at some point today and create a nice bottom wick, maybe even form resistance to continue down. Where we need Lele. We need Lele to bring the volume. We can get a nice late trade today. Jamil, how long you been fasting for? Yo, chat, who fasts here? Like, anyone do like some water fasts? Like, how long do you guys fast for? Let me know in the comments. You guys do intermittent fasting, or how do you guys do it? Almost 13 hours. Let's go, bro. 20 hours every day. Nice. Ramadan fasting. Let's get it. Yeah, I like to do 24-hour fasts. Those work pretty good for me. Fasting, I love fasting. It's very healing, keeps my mind clear, and I like feeling hungry. Nice energy. Yeah, no, Melvin, no water. That's tough, bro. 16/8, Sandman, I like that. 8 hours to eat, 16 hours fasting. Yes, sir. Z Gamer facts. Fasting is definitely healthy for sure.
We back.
3-day
Maverick's
fasting, only
join
water.
us.
Maverick. What's up, buddy?
Hey, look. Say hi. Say hi.
Yeah, no Happy Meals, bros. Maverick. Yeah, Claudia. Studies shown, man, if you do a 4-day fast, 4-day water fast once a year, you reduce your chances of getting cancer by 98%. So put your family on board with that. Get your loved ones on board with that. Get yourself on board with that, and that's pretty healthy. If you want longevity, I would look into that. Look at Maverick. Maverick's a top G.
Yeah, gold should continue down now, especially after this news. What do you think, Maverick?
Yeah, 4-hour driving. Yeah, it's really good at 4.
Let's see if we get this daily bottom wick here. We've been rejecting so far, so might get it. One hour closing in like what, 6 minutes? So yeah, might get a push. You want to say hello? Yeah. Say hi.
Rick.
You waving? Maverick? Nah. Maverick's on a bulk. Right, Maverick? You're on a bulk? Yeah. You're messing up my mic here. There you go. Yeah, gold pushing down here on this 15 candle with news. We got everything closing up. We got everything closing here in like 5 minutes. What up, Crypto Madden? I guess today Maverick brought the volume. Say bye, everyone. Say peace.
Yo, chat, I didn't know golf was a long game. 18 holes, that's a lot. I was like, damn. Took it's about like 3 hours. Finish. Vortex, I feel you. Yo, for real, Jamil, this session's feeling like 18 holes right now. Yeah.
Yeah, when you're done with those 100
Energy,
push-ups,
that's a pretty good idea.
Maverick big chillin'.
Eric's a G.
Looking sleepy? Sleepy. Sleep stop's about to get activated here, chat. Yo, this session does feel like 18 holes, damn. And
Right,
no scramble either. Just everyone just shooting their own ball. Oh,
Dude, I'm
yeah.
about to fall asleep right here now.
All right, chat. Wake me up in like a half hour. Sit right here and take a nap.
Energy, bro. Energy. I'll take that advice. Thanks. And
Bring the
I'm
energy.
glad that it's engraved in your brain.
Hey, while we wait, maybe you guys could give the stream a like here today. Give the stream a like if you haven't done so already. 24-hour stream. Yeah, we're going to start right now.
Nah.
Imagine. Nah, today would not be a good day to start. Blue 3 FTMO accounts this week. Last night took 20 lot sells gold before interest rates and lost the loss. Oh, I guess I'm assuming lost that account, lost the rest. Have $500 left. Just bought another challenge. Will there be a signal today?
Sheesh.
Ooh. The signal today, I think, is to really go back to the books. Go back to the basics. You have to find out what you're doing wrong. I went down this rabbit hole in the beginning of my prop firm journey where I would literally blow accounts and just buy new ones because had to get that profit. Right? And I would buy these new ones in this false hope of, you know what, I just gotta get the thing passed. Once I get it passed, everything will be history. And I would continue blowing accounts. And one time I went back to the drawing board. You know, at first I had enough. You know, I got to the point where I was like, I had enough here, man. Like, I cannot blow another challenge. I cannot blow another account. And I had to humble myself and really take time off the markets and dive into some education. So I highly recommend going back into your trades. Don't even trade the rest of the week. Like, save that account for Monday, maybe not next week, but even the week after. And just go back to the drawing board, study, right? There's something that you're doing wrong that has to be pinpoint, right? That has to be brought to awareness. And until you do that, I would not take a trade.
Yeah, I agree.
So the signal today would be a signal to go back and really look at your trades, really study your playbook, really understand the data, go back, look at the live feed, see where you went wrong, what you could have done better. And even if that takes like 2 weeks, I think your signal today should just be to do that. And I remember hearing the streamer say that, and I'd be like, screw that guy. I don't know what he's talking about. But I really do wish I would have paid attention when he said that. It would have probably saved
it'll
me.
save you some time.
Yeah, time and definitely at least a couple $1,000s after that.
And energy.
I'm like, you're real, bro. Let's go. W. Yeah, you don't want to wait for signals either, man. You really don't. Like, it's one thing if you're studying the signals, but yeah.
Man.
You
can't rely. You can't rely on someone else, especially if you're trying to make long-term profits, bro. You got to know what you're doing in this game, man, or else you're gonna get smacked around. Straight up.
You're my mango lasagna hero. Yeah, candle close with no bottom wick. Unfortunately, nothing to do here. Yeah, 4 hour just driving down. So there's our daily bottom wick though, right? Early in the morning when that was hard to really believe, 85% of candles got top and bottom wicks. So there it is. Should we hit him with the would you look at it?
You look at that.
There it is.
Would you look at that?
Yep. Daily bottom wick.
Brother Scott, have a great day, bro. I'll see you tomorrow.
Later,
Stay
Scott.
blessed.
See you, bro. Yeah, you don't want to copy trades either. That'll drive you nuts because if, man, what drove me nuts was losing money when I had no idea why. Like, just because someone else took a trade and I lost, I just took the trade because they took it. So I was just blindly entering into the trade. That's what I was telling you guys when I used to take signals back in the day, like, without trying to learn. It just, it wasn't going to work, man. They make it seem so cool too, like with one swipe on your phone, you can be entered into the signal. Like a lot of these network marketing companies, they're like, yo, you got swipe trade yet? You got swipe trade? Like, how do you not have swipe trade? All you got to do is get an alert to your phone, you hit swipe, enter the trade, money made. Make it rain, right? And that's just not real.
It's just unprofessional too. Like,
I make it rain. I make it rain. I was doing this, like Birdman. Y'all was rubbing my hands together. I make it rain. I make it rain. I'm like, yeah, baby, this guy's gonna make me rich.
Guy's gonna make me rich. The real G's are professional and they know what they're doing. So
had them paper plates out and all that. Yes, sir. Bait deep.
yeah, facts, big folk red, maybe.
I think they're just messing with us.
Yeah, Nick. So what's going on with you today, man?
Hold on, this too. The guy I buy the signals from has 3 Lambos. I mean, check him out. It's not a scam whatsoever. I mean, it just honestly, it doesn't sound like one. That doesn't sound like a scam at all.
That's hilarious.
Oh, nice. 120 away from passing my funded account. Beautiful. Beautiful. What am I doing today? I got a few things to do today. I got a busy calendar today. Doesn't sound like a scam at all.
What time you ending the stream?
Right now. What time is it? 10? 10:05. I'll probably hang out for like another 15 closure. I don't know, something. Maybe another 15-minute candle. We'll see.
Yeah, bet.
You out of here? You out of here, John?
Yeah, I'm about to go hop off and enjoy my day.
Cool.
Wait for this resistance or something to be created and chill.
Yeah. All right, no doubt.
All right, bro.
I'll holla.
All right, cool, bro. I'll give you a call later. Chat, have a blessed day. See y'all tomorrow. Nick, talk to you later, bro. Have a good day.
Later, bro.
Peace. Peace, chat.
Peace. Hey, we're just trying to save you, bro. Just trying to save you. Just because someone has 3 Lambos and stuff doesn't mean doesn't really mean anything at all, actually, outside of they have 3 Lambos. So that's not a good reason to like just, you know, buy something from them and do what they say. You know, you got to look a little deeper into it than that. Yeah, there is no easy way, man. Yeah, eventually I think everyone starts there, but then eventually you'll understand like, hey, I really need to understand these trades. I remember I used to think, hey, what if this guy gets hit by a bus tomorrow? Am I really going to be able to count on him for my family's income? And the answer to that was no, right? So that's when I realized that was the big question for me, and when I began to be like, I need to do my own independent studying, and I need to make sure I got this, right? So that way my family can depend on me, not, you know, the guy that taking trades from. Hit by the bus. Yeah, you never know, man. Yeah, NAS nothing here either. Up and down here today for NAS. Gold just consolidated up here, was ready to go up, but nothing, man. Those 4 hour rejections became a big problem there for gold. Hey, we're back to the beginning song. And gold's just bleeding. No top wicks on any of these candles here. What if the bus gets hit by him? Yeah. Then he'll be the most interesting man in the world. He doesn't get hit by buses. Buses get hit by him. Yeah, word PM Magnifico. Yeah, shout out to all you guys. There's so many popular names here now. You guys are so consistent, man. You guys are showing up. You're doing everything it takes. And then, you know, again, money is a lagging indicator towards success. P&L is a lagging indicator. So some of you guys are crushing it, making money. Some of you guys, that P&L is going to catch up to you. Just keep doing what you're doing. Don't grow weary in doing what's right. And in due season, you shall reap that reward. It's coming. It's coming. If you can understand the market movements at this point, you're well on your way, right? You can't avoid all the fake outs and stuff like that. But if you're really gaining progress, that's a big W, big W. Because most people, they don't even get to that point of independent study. They'll go through the signals, they'll go through the things like that, maybe like take a course, but then they'll give up. They'll give up, midway through. So if you guys are staying consistent, which you guys are, you are well on your way, man. Let's see. Yeah, I think we're gonna dip out. The only thing I would probably look for now is you got a clean range coming down here, right? So there's a nice clean range here. But your last resistance is way up here, right? Way up here. So I would expect price to do some sort of a pullback. You're going to need that. Otherwise, price is just going to keep driving and there may be nothing to do. But if you can get some sort of a reaction here, right, and begin to pull back and then create a new type of resistance, then you got a potential move from back up here towards like 95. And then you can take sells that way, or just wait for that new range to form. You get a closure, and then you got clean candles moving down. So that's pretty much it. Not much to do here right now on gold, unless you're hanging out in sells from like way up here. Yeah. What time is it? 10, 11? Yeah, I'm going to dip off here, chat. Good session here today. A lot of good conversation. Good study here. We got to see news come out. We got to see the reactions. We also got another little sample size trade, taking positions before the news there. So that was good. And what else? No Quakers. That was really good. And yeah, that's about it. Gold's just running down here, and now we need a pullback. Just need a pullback. So if you can get that, you may get it up here, right? Or you may get it right here. So either one I think is totally cool, especially after those lows break in. Daily now flipping bearish and all that stuff, so you may see fake out or something here now, right? Doesn't this look like a fake out, like an exhaustion wick to the top, and then a potential closure back below the range here today? And that's what we could potentially see. Ideally, that would be nice, because tomorrow we could probably set up pretty good for some sells here to come down. So that's going to be it. That's the day. Potential daily fake out here. We'll see how that pans out. But again, the importance of candles with no bottom wicks. You see it again right here today. So if you didn't take a trade today, as long as you as at least you watched the charts and got better understanding about price, and that's really all that matters in the long run. So that is the day. W's on the way out of here today. Proud of you guys. Blessings to you guys moving forward. We will see you tomorrow. We'll see if we can end the week on a high note and get a nice trade out of these markets tomorrow. So I'm gonna catch you guys later, and enjoy the day. Blessings, my friends. It's up, up, up. Later, chat. W's on the way out. Peace.
I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, it's all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, it's all God, this ain't no love. I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beast. I jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put 'em back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. From the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff till I went and turned it where I was down, but now I'm up, up.